The Amazon hid cities no one believed could exist.
Now, lasers are seeing through the jungle. So how did millions of people vanish without a trace?
For 5 centuries, a colossal stone pyramid stood completely undetected beneath the dense Amazon canopy. Nobody noticed. We spent centuries searching for lost cities Amazon jungle hides, but we looked in the wrong places. 10 million people thrived in this supposedly green hell. How did their entire civilization vanish without a trace? In 1541, Francisco de Orellana reported continuous sprawling metropolises along the riverbed. Science called him mad. Yet today, lasers piercing the dense foliage proved the disgraced Spanish conquistador was telling the absolute truth. The Amazon paradox is absolutely real. These massive cities existed, but their perfect erasure defies all logic. For decades, Orthodox archaeology maintained a strict consensus. The Amazon basin was fundamentally incapable of supporting civilization. In 1975, Betty Meggers declared it a counterfeit paradise, claiming the jungle soil was utterly infertile. Experts insisted heavy rains washed away essential nutrients, limiting the basin's entire indigenous population to 2 million. This rigid academic dogma completely blinded historians to Gaspar de Carvajal, who had documented a different reality. In 1542, Carvajal vividly described a massive, continuous white city stretching for miles along the riverbed. He estimated millions of inhabitants, complex road systems, and vast fleets of canoes protecting the organized settlements. Because the soil was seemingly dead, 20th century scholars confidently dismissed his primary account as a feverish hallucination. But this arrogant assumption ignored strange geometric formations scattered across Bolivia, covering thousands of square kilometers entirely. Over 5,000 kilometers of ancient irrigation canals defy the barren earth. How is this agriculture possible? Beneath the canopy of Brazil's Acre state, over 400 massive geoglyphs lay completely hidden from sight. These massive earthen trenches perfectly align with precise astronomical markers securely concealed beneath trees 4 centuries old. In 2017, a groundbreaking study in the journal Science revealed this virgin forest is artificial. Up to 12% of all Amazonian tree species are highly concentrated around these forgotten human settlements. The indigenous population did not merely survive the harsh jungle, they engineered it into a colossal garden. In 2006, anthropologist Michael Heckenberger mapped 50-meter-wide avenues cutting straight through the Upper Xingu region. These massive ancient highways stretched endlessly into the jungle. But why did they seem to lead absolutely nowhere? They were not lost trails. They formed a unified urban grid connecting 19 distinct, heavily fortified settlements. This staggering infrastructure operated exactly like a modern suburban network, complete with central plazas and defensive moats. Yet the great paradox remained violently unresolved. How could millions survive on notoriously poor, acidic tropical dirt? In the late 20th century, researchers dug beneath the topsoil, expecting to find more barren clay. Instead, they hit a thick, highly fertile layer of jet-black soil extending 2 full meters deep. Locals called it Terra Preta. It was incredibly fertile, packed with ancient broken pottery and charred bones. This mysterious black earth did not just exist in small patches, it covered 18,000 square kilometers. Nature could never produce this anomaly. Laboratory testing soon revealed a truth that shattered the scientific consensus. The black soil was completely artificial. Indigenous engineers had deliberately manufactured 18,000 square kilometers of dirt. By mixing charcoal and waste, they fed the lost cities Amazon jungle eventually swallowed in green darkness. This engineered supersoil behaves like a living organism, regenerating itself at 1 centimeter per year without help. They mastered this biotechnology 2,500 years ago, perfectly coinciding with the flourishing era of classical Greece. Supported by this earth, the Casarabe culture built towering 22-meter pyramids at Cotoca beneath the canopy.
By 1400 AD, 90 years before Columbus even sailed, this thriving Casarabe civilization abruptly, completely vanished.
They left no traces of catastrophic warfare or mass migration. The monumental pyramids were simply abandoned overnight. But millions of other indigenous people remained perfectly alive. What terrifying event finally erased the rest of them? European conquistadors arrived wielding an invisible, apocalyptic weapon that the continent had absolutely no biological defense against. Smallpox and foreign pathogens swept through the highly interconnected urban grids faster than Spanish explorers could march. Up to 90% of the Amazonian population perished silently before historians ever recorded their actual names. This catastrophic human extinction was so massive that it measurably altered the entire global climate system permanently. The jungle fiercely reclaimed farms, absorbing enough atmospheric carbon dioxide to trigger the global Little Ice Age. When Francisco de Orellana witnessed those fiercely painted warriors, he was looking at the desperate final survivors. Mistaking them for mythical Greek women, he named the river Amazon, unknowingly sealing their forgotten true history. The great Amazon paradox is finally solved. The perfect erasure of millions was a dark ecological irony. The incredibly fertile black earth they engineered to feed their massive cities became their ultimate, terrifying undoing. When disease wiped out the millions, this super soil forcefully fueled the jungle's explosive and completely unstoppable return. The towering canopy quickly swallowed the massive pyramids of Cotoca, turning their brilliant agricultural engineering against them. This is why modern explorers found absolutely nothing. The entire colossal empire was completely digested by nature. Today, LiDAR technology strips away this deceptive green canopy, exposing the massive geometric footprints of ghost cities. Yet these revolutionary lasers have scanned less than 10% of the entire Amazon basin so far. 90% remains completely unexplored, actively hiding an unknown number of vanished metropolises beneath the ancient roots. The staggering truth about Orellana's white cities was finally validated, but it arrived 5 centuries too late. This terrifying historical paradox forces us to reconsider the absolute fragility of our own modern urban existence. They engineered 18,000 square kilometers of living Earth, yet nature erased them with flawless, brutal efficiency. If an organized empire of 10 million could vanish so perfectly beneath the silent, creeping green canopy, what truly protects our modern concrete cities from suffering the exact same terrifying fate of the Amazon paradox? The files remain open. Countless historical mysteries lie buried, waiting for the truth. Next investigation starts right now. Subscribe to join the expedition. Do not let the history disappear into the shadows. We dig deeper.